My name is Tandwa.
My name's Ingrid, and I am teaching Dance and Evolution.
And I'm also teaching Dance and Evolution.
Evolution is a dance crew on campus, and we've been gaining popularity over the past few years, and we thought it would be a good chance for us to share our love of dance with more people in the Middlebury community.
To have another platform where people who feel like they aren't really good at dancing come together and learn how to dance with us.
And have fun together. That's key.
I think people are really nervous at first, but towards the end people are really open and like willing to ask questions about stuff that they didn't understand or how they could better the moves.
Coming in as not a dancer, you're gonna have difficulties picking up choreography and remembering it quickly, especially in the hour that we have. So it was really interesting to see how, like Tando said, they would come in, they'd kind of be nervous, and then they would learn the choreography and they'd be able to adapt it to their bodies. And then at the end, they were performing the little bit of choreography that we taught them to us, and it was really impressive to see. And like if they messed up, they'd like laugh it off and they keep going, they give us attitude. It was great fun. As a crew, we kind of pride ourselves in being a family, joking around, having fun, catching up with each other. So that's something that we brought to the workshop as well. So we didn't make it strictly, we're going to teach you choreography and you're going to learn it. We tried to have fun with them. It seemed to loosen up towards the end.
Cracking jokes was key.
Yeah, very key.
People picked up the choreography really well. Like a lot of the people who came in on Monday were like, oh, I don't know how to dance, or blah, blah, blah. And then when we taught the choreo, by the end, people like remembered it even when we weren't dancing with them, which is like really cool.